With throwback styling firmly cementing itself within today's motorcycle market, Yamaha has been hoping to fan cross-generational motorcycling flames with its sport heritage lineup, the 2018 Yamaha XSR700. Here are the essential fast facts. 1. The Yamaha MT-07 cleans up nicely. 2. The XSR700 marries the new with the old. 3. With a new look come new ergonomics aboard the XSR700. 4. The 689 cubic centimeters cross-splane concept motor, how we love thee. 5. Middleweight motorcycles need to be nimble, and the 2018 Yamaha XSR700 doesn't disappoint. 6. The 41mm conventional fork and horizontally mounted shock aren't new, but they received an overhaul. 7. The price point-oriented suspension gets the job done. 8. Pirelli Phantom Sports Comp tires help keep the shiny side up. 9. At 5 feet 10 inches and with a 32-inch inseam, I was comfortable all day. 10. The 2018 Yamaha XSR700 has a 3.7-gallon fuel tank. 11. Adequate stopping power is available. 12. ABS is standard. 13. A round LCD dash keeps you informed on the road. 14. The 2018 Yamaha XSR700 has an MSRP of $8,499.